22 powerful body language secrets that turn women on. Did you know that there are some easy body language secrets that you can actually do to turn a woman on? We'll be sharing that and more in this video about 22 powerful body language secrets that turn women on. 1. Do mirroring. This is probably one of the oldest psychological tricks to turn a woman on. It involves copying or mimicking body language, speaking, and other movements of the other person. This trick will make her think that you two match because you're in sync with one another. Copy her behavior when speaking with her and wait for the results. Mimicry, nonetheless, can facilitate attraction, and you should not ignore this trick. 2. Try the consistency bias. This means to ask the girl you like to do something for you. It can be as simple as borrowing a pencil from her or her phone to make a call. This is to trick the brain that if she does something for you, her brain will think that she likes you, so she's doing things for you. And if she does something for you once, she will do you a favor or something again for consistency. 3. Act mysterious. Create an air of mystery around you and about your entire person. Don't divulge everything about you on the first date. Be intriguing enough that she will be interested. Even if you're nervous, don't keep talking about yourself, your likings and disliking. Or else, you will kill the tension building up, and you wouldn't like that. Leave something interesting back so that her curious mind will remain curious to know more about you. 4. Be a Casanova. Make her feel special. You must shower her with attention and compliments. This will make her remember you and keep you in her mind. By showering her with compliments, she will feel attraction for you. Doing this, you will make her like you too. So put your best foot forward and stay in her mind by showing her you like her. The attraction will grow as time passes by because she will like to receive more compliments from you. 5. Treat her with spicy food. Spicy food will get her heart and pulse racing because it will raise her body temperature too. She will feel an excitement deep inside her, and she can associate this with feeling attracted to you. Don't miss this body language trick to turn your woman on. However, don't push it if she hates spicy foods. Try the other tricks that we've shared here instead. 6. Make her feel in charge. When you're out on a date, make sure to ask her a lot of questions and let her talk about herself. This will make her feel in charge of the situation. Lead the conversation's topic towards her and let her do the talking. It will stimulate her brain's pleasure center, and this is a good thing. And when she compliments you, act a little shy or awkward. This can make her feel further in charge, and she likes it. 7. Initiate a gentle contact. When we say gentle, it means gentle. It doesn't mean grabbing her hand, but instead touching it lightly. However, do this trick if you feel that she likes you too. Thus, you should be a good judge of character and don't be too fast. Nevertheless, gentle touching can arouse her and make her feel special. 8. Try the self-verification theory. If you're dating a strong and independent woman, make her feel that she is. It's like you're verifying that she's right about how she regards herself. In attraction psychology, it's important for people to seek confirmation from the other person. If you can make her feel this way, she will continue her positive self-worth. She will start feeling comfortable with and around you. So you better be good and consistently make her see her self-worth as she has it for herself. 9. Connect with her friend to friend. I know it can be hard to do. You're attracted to this girl, but you should be comfortable to remain in the friend zone at first. Try getting to know her first and avoid diving into things quickly. Know that attraction is not instant. It builds over time. Let her feelings for you grow and make her feel comfortable with you as a friend first. 10. Share a secret with her. Share something personal with her. Or ask her to share a secret with you. but weigh the situation to see if she's game. Ask each other personal questions and feel closer to each other. One tip: start with a small talk and build up from there. 11. Show her positivity. No one wants to be around a whiner. Show her your positivity and make her want to be with you more. They say that happiness is contagious. So, if you are someone positive, you can lift up her mood and make her feel good too. Do it. 12. Share with her what you love. Little by little, you'll get to know each other. Reveal what you love to do, your passion. Women love men who have it. It shows drive and purpose. And women also like to be around men who have something going on. In short, show her you have a life outside of work. 13. Make eye contact. Eye contact is a good gesture. Look at her in the eyes to show interest in your confidence. Not giving eye contact will make her feel you're not interested, and you might also come across as someone rude. Make eye contact and show her that you want to know her further. 14. You should smell good. This trick is called fragrant attraction. A simple way of attracting her is to smell good because it can positively affect her brain. She will be attracted to you. However, it doesn't mean showering yourself with perfume. It has to do instead with overall hygiene. Nevertheless, smelling good can help you attract her. 15. Have a sense of humor. Women love men who can make them laugh. Sense of humor is one of men's most attractive traits. You'll attract her naturally with your wit and sense of humor. However, you don't need to be a comedian or clown. Just be humorous. Make her laugh and regard you as someone positive. 16. Be in for the chase. Show a woman that you like that you're a man who is in for the chase. Men are not the only ones that love a good chase. Women too. You shouldn't make yourself look so available and always available. Women like it when men are busy with their lives and have a world of their own. Try to ignore her messages and calls once in a while and make her long for your attention even more. You will be able to build the tension here and make her want to be with you. Don't make yourself always available for her calls and messages. Watch how she reacts. If you're always in her mind, you can be sure that she will start wondering what you are up to or who you are seeing. This can make the dating game more fun and exciting for her. However, don't play too hard to get, or she will think that you don't like her, or don't find her attractive enough for your attention. To turn your woman on, you should nonetheless show that you are a man who can enjoy his own company, and that someone who is not clingy always asks her whereabouts or who she is with. 17. Be a confident man. Be confident, and you will exude that charm women love. You'll definitely turn her on by showing that you are a man oozing with sex appeal for your high level of confidence. However, there is a difference between a confident and an arrogant man. While you can turn her on for your charm and confidence, you can easily turn her off if you're too full of yourself and you never listen. Don't be like a narcissist who regards himself too highly that he never accepts the opinion or views of other people. Don't be like this man. 18. Have a life. You should have a life outside of dating. Show a woman that you're a busy, ambitious man that knows what he wants and that pursues his dreams and ambitions. Show her that you have a life of your own and that you enjoy yourself alone too. Have a passion for sports, mountain climbing, and other outdoor activities. Don't neglect them. You can turn on a woman if you know how to look after yourself, work on yourself, and improve yourself. 19. Listen to her intently. Women love talking, and you probably know that. When she speaks, listen to her intently, not only for the sake of waiting for your turn to talk. Listening must be done with the intent of knowing more about her and asking follow-up questions to show that you truly listen. Women like men who can show her that he cares, and one way to do this is to listen closely to what she has to say, while looking at her eyes and making her feel appreciated. Do this and turn on a woman that you like. 20. Be open and honest. Turn on a woman by being open and honest. As you progress in dating, you should remain open and honest. This is the perfect opportunity to be closer to her. Tell her more about you, your life goals, and your aspirations. Talk about your future plans, what you like in a girl, and what you dislike. Nevertheless, transparent communication is one of the best foundations of successful relationships. Don't be afraid to show your true colors and reveal your heart's content if you also like this girl you're dating. And soon enough, she'll appreciate that you trust her and that you are ready to take your relationship to the next level. Just always be honest. Women love honest men. You should be. 21. Be yourself. One of the surest ways to turn a woman on is a man that can show who he really is. This man doesn't wear a lot of hats, acting differently when with his girl, and acting as another person depending on who he is with. You should not be this man who wears different faces. Otherwise, you'll turn her off for sure. 22. Know her love language. Each of us receives love in different ways, namely acts of service, word of affirmation, quality time, receiving gifts, and physical touch. Know her love language so that you can show her love in the best way that she will receive. If her love language is a word of affirmation, it means she will want to hear supportive things from you. But if her language is an act of service, it means that she will love you to do things for her. And if her language is physical touch, it means that she will want to be close to you and be caressed by you. If you liked today's video, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button for more content like this.